Welcome students of class 8A. In the period of algebra, we are solving chapter 2 revision exercise. Question number 12 states that express the given number in the usual form. The question is 5.5879 into 10 to the power minus 9. So in this step, I change this negative index into positive. For that I have to write this as denominator, and it became now 5.5879 by 10 to the power 9. In the next step, I omitted this decimal. After omitting the decimal, I wrote the numerator as 55879. This 10 to the power 9 came here, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 digits before decimal, so we gave 4 zeros with 1, and in this way we got 55879 by 10 to the power 9 into this became there are 4 zeros, so we can write 10 to the power 4. That is equal to, here the bases are same, so the powers will be added because this is in the form of multiplication. Therefore 55879 by 10 to the power 9 plus 4. This became 55879 by 10 to the power 13. It means decimal will come after 13 digits. These are 5 digits already. So 8 zeros we kept after this 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 8 zeros and this 5 digits total became 13. So decimal will come after 13 digit. I kept decimal here. To close this decimal I kept 0 from my side. This became the answer. In question number 12, Roman number 3, the question is 1.85 into 10 to the power 11, and we are asked to write the given number in usual form. So first, in the first step, I have omitted this decimal. Since there are 2 digits before decimal, so we wrote denominator as 100. For more clarification, if you want to know, for this decimal 1 came, and for these 2 digits 00 came. In this way, the number is now 185 into 10 to the power 11 by 100. In the next step, I can write 185 into 10 to the power 11 by 10 square. There are 2 zeros, so we can write 10 to the power 2 or 10 square. Now we are seeing these two bases are same, and these two are in the form of division, so the powers will be subtracted. For that I wrote 185 into 10 to the power 11 minus 2. And after subtraction we are getting power as 9. So we got 185 into 10 to the power 9. So there will be 9 zeros upon 185, 185, and these are 9 zeros. This became the answer. Roman number 5, the given number is 1.89567 into 10 to the power 8. In the first step, I omitted the decimal. Since there are 5 zeros before decimal, so we gave 5 zeros upon 1. And in this way, this number became 1.89567 into 10 to the power 8 by 1 lakh. This we can write as 10 to the power 5. This denominator we can write as 10 to the power 5, and the numerator is same, 1.89567 into 10 to the power 8. These bases are same, and these two are in the form of division, so the powers will be subtracted. For that I wrote 1.89567, that is carried from here, and 10 to the power 8 minus 5 equal to 1.89567 into 10 to the power 3. So 000 will come, 1.89567 for 10 cube I wrote here this 000. That is the answer. Question number 13 states that simplify and express as positive powers. Roman number 1, x to the power minus 3, y whole to the power minus 2, xy whole to the power minus 4. So in the first step, I change these negative indices in the positive. For that, I have to write the reciprocal of this. I wrote 1 by x to the power minus 3 y whole square. And this also we write the reciprocal of this to change this negative index into positive. For that I wrote 1 by xy to the power 4. Now we multiply these two powers by 2. So minus 3 into 2 minus 6 x to the power minus 6 y square into x to the power 4 y to the power 4. This minus 6 will be changed into positive index, so we have to write the reciprocal of this 1 by minus x to the power minus 6. So x to the power minus 6 will go up and there will be x to the power 6. Denominator is y square, and this is 1 by x to the power 4 into y to the power 4. One thing that is given in the question to express this as in positive powers, so I changed all the negative indices into positive. For that the last, that is x to the power minus 6, is also changed into x to the power 6, writing the reciprocal of 1 by x to the power minus 6. Now we are saying x to the power 6 by x to the power 4. These bases are same, that is x, but these two are in the form of division, so the powers will be subtracted. For that I wrote x to the power 6 minus 4 by these two powers, these two bases are same, that is y, and these two are in the form of multiplication, y square into y to the power 4. Therefore the powers will be added. For that I wrote y square plus 4. This calculation became x square, because 6 minus 4 equal to 2, so x square by y to the power 6. In question number 14, the question states that find the value of n, while the expression is given 13 to the power minus 6 into 13 to the power 3n plus 1 equal to 13 to the power 11 divided by 13 to the power 7. So I wrote the given equation: 13 to the power minus 6 into 13 to the power 3n plus 1 equal to 13 to the power 11 divided by 13 to the power 7. Now these two bases are same and these two are in the form of multiplication, so the powers will be added. For that I wrote 13 to the power minus 6 plus 3n plus 1, powers are added. Here these two bases are same, but these two are in the form of division, so the powers will be subtracted. For that I wrote 13 to the power 11 minus 7. Now this calculation, minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5. So I wrote 13 to the power minus 5 plus 3n equal to 13 to the power 11 minus 7 equal to 4. These two bases are same, so I cancel that. Minus 5 plus 3n equal to 4. So 3n equal to 4 plus 5. By the rule of transposition, minus 5 will go that side, there will be plus 5. So this 3n equal to 9. 3 3s are 9, so n equal to 3. That is the answer. Question number 15. Simplify x to the power 2a plus 9 into x squared whole power 4a plus 5 by x to the power 5 into 2a minus 1. In this step, I wrote the same. In this step, I wrote this term as same, x to the power 2a plus 9 into x. I have omitted this bracket, so these two powers will be multiplied. Since this is power upon power, so these two powers will be multiplied. For that we write 2 into 4a plus 5 by this term is written as same. Now x to the power 2a plus 9 into x to the power 2 into 4a plus 5. This is in the form of division, so I wrote divided by x to the power 5 into 2a minus 1. Since these two are in the form of division, following the rule of BODMAS, we will simplify at first division. So since the bases are same, so the powers will be subtracted. For that I wrote x to the power 2a plus 9 into x to the power 2 into 4a plus 5 minus 5 into 2a minus 9. Since these two are in the form of division, so the powers will be subtracted, and I subtracted here. Now in this step, this term is carried same. 2 into 4a 8a plus 2 into 5 10. Here also minus 5 into 2a minus 10a minus minus plus 5. So this became x to the power 2a plus 9 into x to the power 8a minus 10a minus 2a 10 plus 5, 15. Here, since these two are in the form of multiplication, so the powers will be added. For that I wrote x to the power 2a plus 9 plus bracket starts minus 2a plus 15 bracket closed. Powers are added, so I gave here the symbol of addition. Now this sign of these two terms are multiplied by plus. For that I wrote 2a plus 9 same, plus minus minus 2a, and plus 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 15. I solved it. 2a minus 2a 0, and 9 plus 15 24. So the answer became x to the power 24.